I'm doing the diary of the 5 days winter storm, severe winter storm for in our area. But like I said, some states have more snow than we are. At least in a way, we did not lose power all this time. But the news says Texas, really, this is their 5th day of having no power. That means cold weather. So yeah, it's kind of bad in some places, but it's part of being in this kind of weather. Weather changes and everything. But yeah, that's our neighborhood, and this is our driveway. I'm standing here because I am going to run around and do my errands for today also. And like I said, this vlogs might be a little bit like kind of like out of the extraordinary, because I'm just doing like my morning when I leave for work, and then when I get back home from work. So it's a little bit different. But hey, yeah, I was just thinking that maybe you guys enjoy, especially in the Philippines. It's kind of something that you do not experience. You've seen it on TV, but but it's different to the TV. You see it on the like movies. But anyhow, so I thought I'm just gonna do that, my diary. And also I was asking my husband if we can play a snowball. Well, he told me that the snow right now is kind of wet. You cannot even pack them to play snowball. But of course, when when it was snowing and it's nice to play snowball, of course I'm working. So yeah, that's the only difference that I cannot give you what I would like to show you. But just like my morning and my evening routine. So hope you guys will enjoy watching my diary of the winter snow. Hey guys, here's the neighborhood. My goodness, it's really snowing hard this time. At least it's a light snow, like powdery snow, so it's not as bad. The problem is kung ma-melt ito, tapos pagka ma-melt ito, tapos malamig pa rin, kaya magto-turn into ice. See, we have like right now, let me see. Right now we have like 3 inches of snow right now on the ground. I know, so super lamig. I am just now heading back home, guys, and look at this is the street that I drove this morning. It wasn't this bad, pero ngayon, look at now. At least wala pang snow plow. So ayun. So yung mga tao, guys, hindi na sila, no traffic, no nothing, because of the snowstorm. Marami na kasing mga accidents according to the news. Marami ng accident kasi dahil lang sa snow na accumulate during the day. It is 7:15 in the evening, and right now I'm just doing like 15 miles an hour just to be on the safe side. It doesn't feel bad, it's not slick or anything, pero it's better to be safe than sorry. Ito na yung drive-in namin, guys. So, when I left this morning, there's a little but not too much. It is so cold, guys, that ramen noodles in sesame oil with eggs just really hit the spot.
Amounts in Evansville about 4 to 5 inches right now. And as you'll see here, we still have the entire tri-state under a winter storm warning. That's going to go until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. We had sleet mixing in earlier today that did knock some of the snowfall totals down. But I still think a good deal of the area is going to get up to at least 5 inches. And we could still see heavier 10-inch plus amounts north and west of Evansville. The 41 corridor, as we put it into motion, you can see that final swath of snow is going to sweep across the tri-state here.
Good morning, guys. Ito yung second day sa snowstorm namin. Ayun, maraming daghan kayong snow. But yeah, sorry guys ang akong mga view sa mohang morning dark kay mangod buntag manggod sayo kayo kumugikan sa trabaho. So maybe sometime I would be able to I'll be able to get some more day view for the snow. Ayun guys, nag-shovel ng pathway yung asawa ko. I would have loved to take a video of him shoveling the snow, like he made a pile up here. So I would have loved to take a picture of that, but of course I was working. But yeah, that's kind of nice that he at least made that, so that ayun, pathways from the garage door up to our back door. So yep, second day of the winter of the snowstorm. So bukas is another day.
String here below freezing. In fact, we've completed a full week now
without going above freezing. There'll likely be some ice on lakes and so forth. Stay off the ice because things are going to warm up again pretty quickly, and that is generally a bad idea. Anyway, ice fishing around here usually doesn't end well. For the season now, the airport only picked up about 3.5 inches of snow. So in the official book will show 5 inches so far for the season, although many of you had a lot more than that. And then for the rainfall, we are back now just above normal and much colder than average for the month. This will likely be one of the 10 coldest Februarys on record if we keep this trend alive for a few more days. There's where the snowfall is on the ground right now, and you see it extends down into Arkansas, even northern Louisiana and Mississippi, with snow. Add more to that tomorrow night and early Thursday.
Ito yung ano guys, this is the third day. Look like the ang kalsada, the roads are the roads are clear, but the sides are still full of snow. So yan, I was just going to show you what the street sides look like and the people's yard. See guys, that one right there, that's the a pile of snow. Dinner. So I'm having sushi, and my husband will have his he's gonna have a chicken with vegetables. Ayan, tingnan nyo, this is the third day guys, and tonight we're supposed to get some more snow. Ayan, I'm stopping by here to get my food. Ganihara ka na ko butang ako hang order para support ang pick up 25 minutes. Lat pa ko din ay. Ulay sulod ang restaurant guys, kasanan pick up ra. Pick up ra ila tanan. Dugay pa yung hulaton bisag una nang gi-order. Pick up ra tanan wa jubile mo lingkod way palingkoron di ani.
Go ahead and wait, and then I'll for you whatever for you, okay? Who's that?
Guys, they're telling me it was like 20-25 minutes wait a pick up, but then when I get here I should say pag abot dani wala pa gihapon, so I have to wait another 10 minutes. But hey, I don't feel like cooking, so that's all what there is to it. There you go guys, that's a snow plow. Look at them. Here's my sushi guys. I don't even want to put it on the plate. I'll just eat it like that. It's my lazy day today. So yan, I know sushi ang for dinner.
Heavy snow as it moves in, a higher moisture content, so it's going to be a little harder to drive in and to shovel and handle once everything has fallen. The lead edge of the snow now is to the north of Madisonville, and will likely be moving into Owensboro, Hartford here over the next couple of hours. Years ago, I guess it'd be about 110 years ago now, was quite a bit nicer. We had 71, second day in a row, there was a 70-degree temperature back then. Today, we had to settle for 26, but at least we were out of the teens. Some of the coldest days we've had, we were down to 2 degrees again this morning. Many of you were below 0. That hasn't happened in about 3 years here in the tri-state. So for the season, we're still at 5 inches of snow, and then we'll add in whatever we get tonight and tomorrow.
Lola in her new haircut. I know, right? Don't you look pretty, girl? I know, and there's Lizzie on my other side. Lizzie, hey, say hello, girl. Hello. I know, stop it. I'm clean.
You gotta go to meetings. You're almost late.
Good morning, guys. Ikaupat na ni kaadlaw. Yeah, ikaupat ni kaadlaw. Ang katubitang gipala sa ako hangbana ag sa ikaduha kaadlaw ang gipala niya. Napuno na po og snow. Nakadaghan na. So daghan na pong snow. Karon sige pa po ganing ga snow. I don't know kung makita ba ninyo. If you guys can see it, it's still snowing. Wow. Yeah, diary na ako sa amuhang snowstorm for 2021. I don't know. Ako lang po nang video akong diary, at least sa Pilipinas, mga for those nga abroad, they know what I'm talking about. So it's kind of more like how to make para naman yung sa Pilipinas maka-experience po in a way ngayon ana ang snow diyan. Bisan tuod dinhi sa Samoa dili ra kayo daghan ang snow, dili para sa uban nga sa up north nga daghan ang snow, pero at least nara akuhan ang gikuan. Where's my dog? Oh my goodness, I have to get my dog. I did not pay attention when my dog. They have to do their business. Lola? Busy kaya ko og vlog in the morning, guys. Ako ang ero, napuno na og snow, kurog-kurog. Alright, I better get ready for work too. So, I will see you guys. Ang tapusan siguro na ako ang vlog karong gabi. Unsa ka malapad kadaghan na ang snow nga amohang ma-accumulate throughout the day. I'm not sure, guys, if you can see that, but those are icicles. It looks like one of those, stalactites. I was like, oh, yeah, stalactites. That's kind of hanging off the eaves of the garage. So, yep, that's what this is. Like I said, this is the 4th day, and the snow is melting, but then because it's cold, so that's got it forms like that, stalactites. Not cool? It's so pretty. I should do just like that. See, the shoveled area, it's kind of still, the snow just melted, or Scott, my husband, has shoveled it. So look, the hakabok ihang shovel. So it's not really funny, guys, but I'm sure he works hard with that. But yeah, kana ina katumpak ng kuan snow di ani sa muhang likod sa mong balay. To have this wakame soup. It's a seaweed soup for tonight with my fried chicken. My husband just went to get fried chicken just for me. Guys, that's my dinner. I have fried chicken and my quinoa rice and my wakame soup. It just tastes so good. It will just hit the spot.
And snow totals around the tri-state ranged anywhere from around 1.5 inches in Grayville, about 2.5 Evansville, Henderson, 4 in Owensboro, and down in Greenville, pretty much in line with our forecast from yesterday. Tomorrow, still snow on the ground, but none coming from the sky. Temperatures in the upper 20s there during the afternoon. And then the map kind of quiets down. Our next feature will be high pressure moving into a favorable spot to start pulling up warm air. And Texas will start to warm first, Arkansas, and then eventually the tri-state here. I put mild on here. That means temperatures in the mid-40s, which, it's all relative, right? At least it's not going to be 18 out there again.
Guys, this is Friday. This is the 5th day. And I was just, look, I am on my puffer coat. It is so cold, so I am on my puffer coat. I call it puffer coat, and then all the way down. So I am gonna do my running around today. It's still there's no snow coming down, but then there's still a lot of snow on the ground, and on top of that, the snow is getting ice on top of the snow. So it's more slicker, it's more dangerous than having the snow coming down. So I'm just gonna go my running around, and then I was gonna say that then I will be posting this. So anyhow, I guess what I'm saying is that I know it is kind of different. I was doing my diary for like the 5 days of ayan guys, this is what it looks like. This is actually the main street in town, but look at the stores on the side. Oh, you have to watch this. Coming right up, there's a big pile of snow. Here guys, coming right up, here's the big pile of snow right there. It's a snow plow that kind of plow them together and make that into a big mound. So what happened when those big pile of snow melted, it's gonna be like almost like it's gonna be like a flood. So, but of course it will melt slowly too. So, but yep, the main street is been pre-treated. That's why, you know. And then during at night time, the snow plow will plow the main street so that the traffic continues, and then, you know, the business goes on pretty much. So like I said, I am trying to give you guys a glimpse in my little town where I live, what it looks like during a snowstorm or winter storm. This is the first we ever had for this season, so that's why I'm just kind of showing it to you. I am kind of excited myself too, just to have this snow. But yeah, life goes on. I still have to run around, and if people are still running around, go to work, and, you know, do some errands and stuff like that. So guys, I know it's been a while since I have put my upload some vlogs, but this is just, like I said, it's about probably longer than I would like it to be. But like I said, every day that I made my diary, I also put the clips of the a newscast, you know, from the television, and then so kind of give you an idea the every day's forecast or weather forecast. So yeah, that's pretty much what life in America is like. Everybody has to pay attention with the news, with the forecast, weather forecast. Otherwise, if you don't pay attention with the forecast, then it's kind of hard for you to navigate. You probably would not know what you're getting into when you go out in the street or go out to work and things like that. So guys, hopefully you enjoy watching my vlogs. So hope to see you guys soon. You take care. Thanks for watching again. And that's my key. I didn't even realize that until I start just like bumping into the steering wheel. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.